Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. We have a message from Gerald James Osmai calling for a truly national army and an army which is free from the tribalism. In a time when South Sudan continues to face deep divisions and struggles to implement peace, former Chief of Defense Forces, General James Osmai, has spoken out with a powerful message. He said that it is time to eliminate tribalism from our national army and build a force that truly serves the nation, not individuals, not tribe, but the people of South Sudan as a whole. In a recent interview, the now Minister of Labor voiced his support for President Salva Kiir's directive to the new Chief of Defense Forces, Lieutenant General Daw Aturujong Nyol, to transform the South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) into a modern, professional, and accountable army. But Osmai didn't stop at supporting the idea. He called for urgent and practical action. He said that the army must be loyal not to tribe or political leaders, but to the constitution and the country. General Osmai said that its job is to protect the dignity of the nation, the life of the people, and the property of its citizens. His message was clear. Tribal loyalty must end if lasting peace is to prevail. The army should be a symbol of unity, not division. It must rise above ethnic loyalties and be reshaped into an institution where every South Sudanese, regardless of background, feel protected and represented. Osmai also expressed confidence in President Salva Kiir Mayardit's commitment to this reform, highlighting the importance of leadership at the very top. Only the president, as a commander-in-chief, has the authority and power to provide the support and resources needed for the military to succeed. Hoth said that. And he said that, I believe he will fulfill his promises. His remark come at a crucial moment as the unification of South Sudanese forces under the 2018 revitalized peace agreement remains slow and incomplete. Many citizens have grown weary of promises, watching as tribal division within the security sector continue to fuel fear and insecurity. But Osmai's voice of fear reminded that change is still possible if leaders act decisively and if the people demand accountability. He concluded with a call to both military leaders and political figures. Let us put our country above our tribe. Let us build an army that belongs to the nation, not to clan. This call for unity and transformation from one of South Sudanese most respected military figures is not just a message to the army. It is a message to all South Sudanese. The dream of peace depends on building trust, and that trust starts with the truly national army. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.